Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will create tropical theme wall gallery. So over the time lot of artwork gets accumulated and I'll show you how to use them. In my last two videos we created a pink flamingo and monstera leaves. So I will show you how you can add more artwork, watercolor artwork to it, and you can create your own wall gallery. So first I am making few cactus. First I have drawn them using pencil colors and we will paint them. I will use shades of green, blue and crimson red to make this cactus. We will make quick art and I'll keep it very simple because we already have two very defined watercolor artworks, that is pink flamingo and monstera leaves. So the other three artworks are going to be pretty simple. Today I'm making tropical theme, but if you want any other themes like beach or any other, if you have anything in mind, drop a comment and I'll try to make more wall gallery artworks for you. This one is done. Next we will make very simple leafy artwork with crimson red and black color. Just see how I'm using the brush, put it on the line, put some pressure and drag it out. Once this is done, you can add any quote in the center space. Watch it till the end to see how I used this artwork on my wall gallery. For the next one, I will make some beautiful flowers. So check this out. I am using crimson red, scarlet red and orange to make these flowers. To see how I make loose flowers, you can check the other tutorials. Add the highlights. Now I will add some leaves. So this combination looks very beautiful. Crimson red, scarlet red, orange and shades of green. So once all the leaves are added, it looks like this. In this also, in the center space, you can write any of your favorite quotes. So this is almost done. So now we have 5 tropical theme artworks. One is pink flamingo, monstera leaves. Then I added this love and joy quote. In this one I added live, laugh, love quote, and this is our cactus. So you can arrange these artworks in any form you want. You can use them in your bedroom, your study area, your living room. You can get them framed. So today we made tropical theme wall gallery, but if you have any other themes in mind, please drop a comment and I'll try to make more videos on the same. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you.